Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota 2 on your laptop. First, you'll want to check your laptop's specifications to ensure it meets the game's minimum requirements. Aim for at least 8 GB of RAM for smooth performance and a dedicated graphics card for the best visual experience. Also, make sure you have at least 15 GB of free storage space available for the game installation and updates. This foundational check is crucial for a good start. Once your laptop is ready, download the Steam client and create a free account. Dota 2 is a free-to-play game, so you can install it directly through Steam without any purchase. After installation, dive into the in-game video settings to optimize them for your laptop's capabilities, balancing visuals and performance. For the most stable online experience, especially during competitive matches, a wired internet connection is always preferable over Wi-Fi. Now, let's get into the game. Familiarize yourself with the basic controls for moving your hero, attacking enemies, and activating your abilities. A key skill to master is last-hitting creeps, which grants you gold and experience points. Dota 2 features over 100 heroes, each with unique roles and skills, so explore them. Always keep an eye on your minimap to track enemy movements and coordinate with your team. To truly excel, watch professional Dota 2 matches and tutorials to pick up advanced strategies and hero builds. Effective communication with your teammates, whether through voice or text chat, is vital for victory. Don't be afraid to experiment with different heroes to discover which ones best fit your personal playstyle. Finally, engage with the vibrant Dota 2 community online. It's a great resource for tips and finding new teammates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.